boxing something. I'll put one of them here too. I love how she. I'll put one of them here too. Put a treadmill if you run against that wall. Yeah. Alright, beer workout. This double tap up the screen, people, and share out it live. Please and thanks. Alright, like what I did say, I did want the bathroom for the over here said way. I'm gonna like them little blood clot like they always have. Alright. We're gonna take the flower here, the plasma tree here. We're gonna move it out here so. Cannot intersect with other objects. What objects? Which other objects are not about? Which objects are not about? Come in on know. Come out of that. Must be placed on terrain. We are about. This not making sense. Oh! All of them blood clots something I with up on the pussy clot wall. Alright, so here what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take off all of this shit. See you know. Come here and say with a bumbo clot this start. Take off that pussy clot. We don't need that. Take off that bumbo clot and make it plant. Plant it yourself. Must be on terrain. Which terrain? We depend it. Alright, here what we have to do. That means that all of this are exactly what I did think. Bam. Take off all of this because we don't want. Undo everything where you just do. Yeah, bring back my tree them. Bring back my tree them. All of this, I forgot. Yeah man, take off all of this. I don't know who the hell did smart enough to put the same color ground for tile. Alright, so I got show. I see it there. Bam, we're gonna put it tree them, yes, sir. I don't want to tree them. You know what I mean? They dip on the boundary, they dip on the line. Ratty tree them, you know. It means that then they are so for a good while. I plasma tree them, mama want the plasma tree them, you know, people. I should have this shit. I need that. In the ground here for that. Bam. In the ground here for that. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we'll take them here. Matter of fact, we not even need them. Delete. Delete all of this. We don't need none of this. I have to go check for my food, people, so give me a second. Yeah, turn it off. Yeah, all of that. We get rid of all of that blood clot. I don't need that. Yeah, man. You don't need none of that. All of this just so. Nothing. Alright, good. We don't have nothing less of a delete. Alright, bam. So make we see now. So what we need now is bathroom status. So make we go to the bathroom. I'll build some bathroom over here. Put in some shower. I'll put in. I'll just put in some single one, yeah. Alright, and then we'll go trying to toilet them. Big up on yourself, people. Double tap up the screen, short and live, plays on songs. I'll put in the toilet them style. How it is? That's how I do it, so I'll put the toilet them, so. See there, and them and sing. Alright, we're gonna do this. Bam. And then we're gonna shift down them here locker here, so them not hitch up in another corner here, because we don't want them hitch up in another corner there. So what we are gonna do is next we're gonna put a door on every single one of them here. But before we do that, let's separate the toilet then. Separate the toilet them so that's where people can have their little privacy. Their little privacy, what you mean? Alright, so now that we build said bathroom and them thing there for people for come in, we could put on the door bathroom sign for make you people them know say yo a man and woman thing, you know? Alright, bam. So they know say I bathroom that I could go down in here so you know say it's a shower. Double tap up your screen, people. Go to my YouTube channel, or you can just click the link in my bio. Make we go to I want to create a different door for every one of them shower here. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Instead of we put a door upon them, I'm gonna just take off that wall here. Yeah, and so I'll take out that wall here. I just really want them to separate. If you chop up so that you people them, you know. Bam. You have your little privacy. Said way. Feet there. Bam. Door and everything lock in. Alright, thank you Lavish, thank you to everybody we are tapping and roll with me. We'll create a little gym area in another mansion here. Alright, like how me create the bathroom, you know. And them have the little gym locker area. You know what, make me put one more locker just in case. You know, whole heap of people can't forward in. She can have a gym business. Take out this right so because we want the speaker then. Some people can listen to their music. I put one of the big sound system them in here, something decent for them to listen to while them you know, while them work out, them must can listen to some music. Alright, I feel like some for put when me a build, I am building a mansion. I have the inner part of the mansion. I work on the inside. I go down in it. I just did finish one camping area. Cause I there in a mount. Me there Japan. Anybody who have a Sims game knows that them have like one of the something them when name Japan Mount Komorebi or something like that. So me there up here in the hills, me build like one little camping area for my Sims, you know, for people and them thing them. I gotta save all of that space here for some activities, fun activities and them way and thing. I don't know why the mailbox is all the way over here. We're gonna delete that. Alright, so what we did there, we have fixed up Yasa, which are the gym. So what we're gonna do is, because true men want say them love, I put on TV Yasa so they can watch TV and you know, and I run same time. They can watch them like a TV and I run Z way. So I'll put the TV Yasa. I'll put it down a little bit. I don't want your broken neck. Bams. Alright, so you can watch a little TV, listen to your music, you're coming at the gym, everything nice. Alright, bam. Thank you to everybody tuning in. Everybody who are tuning in, big up on yourself, double tap up the screen, please, and thanks. May I build one mansion, alright. Now that we have everything in there, like we put in the light them now. As far as we are gonna have in them, I'm gonna put some decent lights. No matter of fact, I'll put them there. Them lights. A rotted light in there. Candle lights. Bam. See it there. Light up a place. Alright. Make we pick for the gym now. Thank you for the likes then, my love. I'm gonna just keep it simple with the gym. Because I want it to be a certain way. I'm gonna change the floor. So if I can get like one light floor. Bam. Alright, so yeah. But we're gonna put some light in our bathroom car. You know, people have to see when they take a shit on them wear them. Things. So like we put, big up yourself, thank you for the likes, them lavish. Big up yourself, darling. No, I did me a light here, I look for. Just can't put a light in here, so bam, right over your head, bam. I'll put a light in your bathroom. Alright, true with the inner the bathroom now. I got tile out the bathroom. I like them tile here. I'll tile out the bathroom now. I'll change out the bathroom, you know. I want the tile. I want, yeah, see it there. can use that one here. Bam. Hand tool. Bam. Alright. So like how we have it, you know. This are the gym we she have in our house. Alright, the gym not, you know, she can charge people for come work out, you know. Alright, so she have plants. My sister she have some plant in her house. So what we are gonna do is we're gonna shove them over here. So we're gonna carry them over here and see in the back. On the back of the house. Cause I want her to have space. So carry them to the back of the yard. I'll put them in so. So what we're gonna do is we'll take out some of them bush here. They pan to rain. Yeah, tell me say the whole back wall right so our tile. Cause this look like some white tile. Alright. It look like say just stretch from the back of the building. I said we get rid of that blood clot. I don't want to time. Alright, like how we have what is rose? One rose bush. We're gonna have one well nice rose garden back here. So what kind of fruit tree that? Dragon fruit? Pussy clot. Hear that? Hear that? Dragon fruit. We're gonna put it up on the corner cause something like my fruit tree them. I want them to have space. The dead flower. Pussy clots. Yeah, I like that. Cause you know say when they give death in flower, you do great things for you know. Hard to get the dead flower. I'm gonna find two of them. Pussy clots. Yeah, girl. What is dragon fruits? Dragon fruits. We're gonna show you over here, so. Bam. See it there. Alright, the plants are them we will have here, so we'll get rid of them then, because we don't really need them then. Alright, okay, we find once with the outside, we don't really need them then. We can plant it in the ground. Alright, people, go and double tap up the screen and share it live. Let's move forward. never can wear white, you know. Anytime if you wear white, you know, it just dirty up, you know, people. Thank you for the lives. Thank you for everything. Lavish, big up yourself. Me just did have to forward and get something from them. I'm hungry like a dog. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna make my Sims run for a little bit because, matter of fact, yeah, what should I? Yeah, man, it's a rotted mansion, this, you know. Watch out, I'll have club. Watch out, one rotted club. I'm not even design the club yet. I see the kitchen and the dining area, and this look like, yeah, man drink and sit down. Come and go upstairs. Upstairs. So one of the area them here. Go round and round and round and round and round. Where bed there? See bed there. The bathroom. See next bedroom there. Alright, I'm gonna make she. I'm gonna save this and go back to the world. I want her to run for a little bit because I'm hungry and I want something there. Yes, right, Lavish. You don't need one of them walkie there. You don't need one of them walkie there where go for 3 miles. You know this your blood clot mansion. And you know said that lot here is a 50 by 50 lot. I'm not even take up a lot for say. Me I go do the house 50-50. No, I say 50-40 because I want the little space so I can plant up the ground and do whatever said speed. But then when me look on this rotted mansion up here, so people, you see it? You see this rotted mansion? I sit down on the hill up top. So we're gonna make she play for a little bit while she build up her skills and them weird and thing. So I can name some food. A rotted mansion. Wagwan people, Tina. Cues. Of course, she have her money. She have about how much she have in her bank. Girl have almost how much she have in her bank. Girl have almost $500,000 in her bank. And she spend about 300 grand on her house here. Alright. So here what we are gonna do. She's a woman where the computer for purchase a remedy or the deterrent. How you do that? She will find the laptop. So where laptop there? If she even have computer. Not even feel like so she have laptop, you know, or computer and everything and thing. You know. You have a good layer to put that in there. Alright, you know what I need you for the girl? I need you for come workouts. Yeah, go and go workouts. How old you be? Why man, because she a teenager, I'm gonna make she move out her mother yard. Come over here so come build up yourself and build up your strength.
Moo.
Girl, you must can do better than that. She can't let me get. She can't lend me let me want her to lend me $5. I can't lend me 100 grand. She must can't lend me 100 grand because she just spent 300 something thousand on the house, yeah. And not just one room I do.